We all know how to measure length directly by using a meter scale, but sometimes we have to follow some indirect methods for measuring heights, say at the time of measuring heights of a very tall building or very tall tree. This is what I am going to talk about in this video. Suppose we want to measure the height of a tree. So let AB be the height of this tree, but one can directly measure the height using a meter scale or a measuring instrument, but having a meter scale that much long is not possible. So that's why we are going to follow some indirect methods known as triangular method. So let us choose a point of observation C. So from this point of observation by using a sextant, we can measure the angle of elevation theta. So AB is equals to h, height of the tree, CB is the base length which is equals to x, and angle ACB is the angle of elevation theta. So in the triangle ABC we can write tan theta is equals to perpendicular by base, that is AB by CB, or which is equals to h over x. Now height of the tree is equals to h equals to x tan theta. So if one knows x and the angle of elevation, then he can measure the height of the tree h. Now what if this base length is not measurable? Say the object is inaccessible like a mountain. So now let's see how to measure length indirectly of an inaccessible object. Let AB be the height of the inaccessible object, which is equals to h. Now we have to choose 2 points of observation C and D, and from these 2 points of observation one can measure the two angle of elevations theta 1 and theta 2 by using a sextant, and the distance between these 2 points of observations is D, as the base length is not measurable. So AB is equals to h, CD is equals to D, the distance between 2 points of observation, and the two angles of elevations are angle ACB theta 1 and angle ADB, which is theta 2. Okay, therefore in triangle ABC we have cot theta 1 is equals to base by perpendicular, which is CB by AB, which is equals to x over h. Now in triangle ADB we have cot theta 2 is equals to again base by perpendicular, which is DB by AB. Now DB can be written as DC plus CB, so it is over AB. So it is D plus x by h. Now let us mark these two equations, say 1 and 2. So if we subtract 1 from 2, then we will have cot theta 2 minus cot theta 1 is equals to D plus x by h minus x by h, or it can be written as D by h plus x by h minus x by h. So x by h cancel out and we will left with D over h. So h can be written as h is equals to D over cot theta 2 minus cot theta 1. So by knowing these two angle of elevation and the distance between these 2 points of observation, one can measure the height of this inaccessible object.